this new video, we're going to show you how to create a custom form in Microsoft Excel in order to enter quickly data. First time you're watching one of my videos, do subscribe to the YouTube channel and activate the notification bell in order to not to lose my next video. So you can also let me a thumbs up. It will be a pleasure for me to encourage to produce more videos. So coming back in our form in Microsoft Excel, the first step is to go to File. When we're on File, if the tab option is not appearing, click on more and then click on Option. So when you are on Option, go to Customize the ribbon. When we're on Customize the ribbon, you need to create a new tab here by clicking on left hand side. This interface, click on New tab, and you can rename a tab and give it the name. For example, rename Form. We will call it Form, and come in the left hand side and choose the command. You can select all commands, then go to form and search for command form. Here is form, and then add to my new tab called form that I have created, and then click on OK. You see that a new tab has been created in my Microsoft Excel, and I can click on form in order to edit or enter a new individual in my database. So I will click on new in order to create a new individual. My name is Chiu. The show name is highlight. The show name is Chiu. The telephone is 653-952-78, and the direction is CCS GOP. The site Paris. Site is Paris. Pieces is 9. The salary is 2,000 euros. The date of birth is 22nd of January 1999. And then click on new, and you can see that our data has been Excel sheet. So the new data that I have just entered have been added in my Excel sheet. So that's it for this video. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, do subscribe and activate the notification bell in order to not to lose my next video. So anytime soon for the next video.